Welcome to the Penny Platform. We'd like to take a moment to educate you about data matching issues or data matching inconsistencies. When a customer applies for health coverage through Penny, Penny is required by federal law to verify the information provided in their application. Most of the information is immediately verified by Penny, and in some cases, the information provided does not match the information stored in Penny's verified data sources. These types of situations are called data matching issues or data matching inconsistencies. DMI is the acronym you'll frequently see associated with these events. Examples of data matching inconsistencies include projected household income, citizenship, immigration status, no eligibility for other minimum essential coverage, MEC. A customer is informed of data matching issues in an eligibility notice that they receive after they submit their application. This notice lets the customer know that they need to verify information in the application. This is also something that can be viewed through the online account for that customer. And with that being said, we are going to cover how does a customer know that they have a DMI? Where does the customer review their DMIs and how can they reconcile those? Well, for that, we'll have to go to a customer application. On the customer application, and this application was submitted just today, you'll see in a very bright yellow highlighted box at the top that this customer has some data matching issues, inconsistencies associated with their application. In fact, it states, we need additional information documents to confirm some of the data provided on your application. Click here to upload documents. If you've already uploaded the relevant documents, please wait for the documents to be approved. So this explains the process for the customer that they need to upload the documents. The documents will be reviewed by Penny, and then ultimately that data matching inconsistency or issue will be resolved for the customer. Another important thing to note is that the customer's household eligibility for shopping and comparing Penny plans, etc., for financial assistance at this point is conditional. And that condition is in brilliant red on the customer's application, and it states you must provide the correct documentation to confirm your eligibility to enroll in this coverage. Well, if we go back up here and we click on Upload Documents, this takes us to the application verification page. Here, customers can review their status for anyone in the family, anyone in the household who's seeking coverage. At this point, what we're looking for is we're looking for a green check mark with verified next to it, showing that that information for the customer has been verified. Any data matching inconsistency will have a red exclamation point and not verified next to it. Another important and very, very key feature here is the action needed by date. Data matching issues and that conditional eligibility is date sensitive. Please make sure customers are aware of the fact that they need to take action to resolve these. But taking action can be pretty simple. Here under income, we'll just use this as an example. We can see that the customer entered uh, income information on their application that Penny could not verify. It states here that if the information's incorrect, what we show here, in this case, $54,000, that the customer can actually go back in and correct that on their application and resubmit the application again by that very important deadline. However, if the information related to the customer's data matching issue is correct, Basically, they can upload approved documents. What are the approved documents for resolving a data matching issue? Well, if we click here, we can see through Penny's FAQs that there are a number of documents that can be provided to support everything from income to citizenship, immigration status, etc. So it's important to know that this is a feature built right in to the Penny platform. To resolve the issue, what we would do is, in this case, we'll select tax returns since we're talking about income. We go in, we can choose a file. And again, this is just a sample, but the customer would select their document. They would select the document from their PC or their mobile, and they would hit submit. Once it's submitted, it will show under document status as submitted. Now, if we go back to the customer portal, at this point, it's important to note that the status is still going to be conditional, and this yellow banner is still going to show up for the customer until Penny actually reconciles that data matching issue or inconsistency for the customer. However, if the customer wants to follow up on it, all that they would need to do is come in, and they'll see that as they submitted that document, it immediately created a ticket for them. They can reach out to Penny's Customer Service Center, 844-844-8040, and inquire about the status of that document that helps support their data matching inconsistency. So with that being said, I hope you learned quite a bit about data matching issues and inconsistencies and how to resolve them. More importantly, the fact that there are deadlines associated with these, and they must be attended to in a timely manner. With that being said, thank you so very much for the privilege of your time, and thank you for visiting the Penny platform.